NCPL mentors people and help them get IT jobs in Canada, UK, US, and India. So how does NCPL mentors the people? Step 1, we identify what is the right role for the candidate based on his past education, based on his past experience if any, or based on his past acquaintance in the domain in any non-IT job that he has worked. Once the role is identified, step 2, we see if the candidate needs any upskilling or not. If upskilling is needed, then we train them very rigorously. During this training, we offer live training sessions with lot of hands-on exercises and homeworks every day. And then after each module, there are projects to be done. And after the live trainings are done, we also have boot camps in which we make people work on 5 live projects. Once the training is done, we go to step 3. We market the candidate in the open market. NCPL doesn't have any tie-ups with any companies, but the core funda is transforming an individual from a zero to hero by making him technically very strong so that he can gain confidence, and with that confidence, when we market him into the open market, he will get a lot of interviews and he will be able to clear that interviews, because to crack that interviews, we make the candidate practice a lot of mock interviews, skit interviews, and a lot of interview guidance sessions, interview preparation calls, and so on. In the open market, when we market the candidate, every working day, we apply for 10 jobs. With these jobs posted in job portals and company websites, candidate gets a lot of interviews, calls from the recruiters, a lot of emails, and a lot of LinkedIn messages. And then we guide the candidate how to respond to them, how to talk to them, so that it moves to the interview process. And when the interview is scheduled, we guide the candidate how to crack those interviews, what kind of preparation he has to do, what topics he has to search. Initial first few interviews, the candidate might fail, but then the average number of interviews that the candidate needs to get a job in NCPL is about 4 or 5. So this is an organic transformation. NCPL doesn't involve in any proxy help. NCPL also doesn't offer any job support, because the core funda is we are training you rigorously well so that you can become technically strong. So you don't really need any job support once you get the job. Whatever training and rigorous practice that the candidate does every day, the candidate will be in a very nice position to do the project all by yourself. That is the reason why we consciously don't offer any project support.